Survived another day in the office? Well done! But wouldn't you rather be thriving and not just surviving? If you're interested in exploring the possibilities of doing something that you're passionate about by creating your own online income stream, then click on that blue Learn More button. I'll send you some free workshop videos that explain exactly how this alternative is well within your grasp. Do you already know that you want to change your job, your income, but there are just too many alternatives and possibilities out there, or maybe none that appear suitable for someone of your experience and background? Well, stop your search right here now. Let me give you some guidance and an opportunity that will let you, yes, you, decide on how you want to earn an income, how you want to work. Now, these videos are exactly the same ones that sparked my interest not so long ago. I was looking online for a career move, re-education. Actually, I didn't know what I was looking for, just alternatives, alternative ways to make an income. And then I came across this advert for an online digital education platform, and it was showing me other people who were making this transition from a standard 9-to-5 job to working online in a niche that was perfectly aligned with what they wanted from life. And that's what sold it from me. Once again, that I could be doing something that I'm truly passionate about, putting a smile on my face and making it a pleasure for me to work. And so that's why I'm creating my alternative income. I managed to keep my day job and set up my own website, build all the automated systems required, all that by the side of my 9-to-5. With just a couple of hours each week, you'll be guided through the setup of your website and all the other technical wizardry that allows you to promote other people's products and services. For example, Amazon products or high-ticket coaching services, for example. And then each time somebody is making a purchase based on your recommendation, then you receive a commission. It's just like recommending a restaurant to a friend, and then the restaurant owner gives you a couple of euros for sending the traffic his way. It's simple, it can be automated, and actually it's being really helpful. You're connecting a customer with something that they desire. And that's what I really love about it, because I can then recommend the products that I enjoy using and that I love. And that's why I'm now here in front of you, because I found this amazing platform. And it's not only guiding you to success, but it opens up 1,000 doors of opportunity. There's no need to feel pigeonholed into any special niche or over-specialized or qualified from your education. In 2021, over 2.1 billion people are expected to pay for goods and services online. So there's plenty of room there for you and me. If you're someone who's open to learning new things and you want more time freedom and you're searching for that alternative to the daily grind, but you don't really know what the alternative is, then I encourage you, tap on that link here or down here and take a look for yourself. You're seeing this ad for a reason, not just because I've paid to put it in front of you, but you're meant to see it right now. The time is right for you to explore the alternatives and your alternative lifestyle. So, enjoy. Tap on the blue Learn More button here or here, and I'll send you the free video series explaining how and why you should be creating an online business today.